Hi, I'm Mubashir Nazar. I help companies get clients on LinkedIn. I am also LinkedIn trainer and coach. In this video, I will provide you a comprehensive guideline for messaging templates. LinkedIn has become a powerful platform for professional networking, job hunting, and business development. One key aspect of maximize your LinkedIn presence is effectively reaching out to others through well-crafted cold messages. In this video, I will explore more than 20 LinkedIn cold messaging templates designed to suit various scenarios from networking and job seeking to direct sale pitches and event invitation. I am also writing an article about cold messages, and now you can see that. And here I am just putting here some message templates so you can use these templates according to your requirement. And at the end of this article I will also include some tips and tricks how you can increase your acceptance ratio and how you can get good results with the help of these templates. And now you can see that LinkedIn cold messaging templates. And first template for mutual friend. This template utilizes a shared connection as an icebreaker, fostering a sense of familiarity and trust. And now what you need to do, you just need to change first name, like you can see that. And if you are using automation tool like a Dripify, Expendi, so different variables placeholders are available, so you just need to change according to software, and then you just need to change all these line according to your requirement, and you can use this message for mutual friends. Second template is common group, and when you join different groups and when you have a common friends and members of those groups, then you can use this common group message. And connecting through a shared interest or group on LinkedIn. This template is tailored for like-minded professionals. You just need to change the name of the group, and when you are already member of those groups, and if you are using automation tool, then this will be a simple. You just need to insert group name, and then you can also change this message according to your requirement. And third template is throwing a little flattery, so you can use this template according to your requirement. And now fourth number is direct sale pitch. This template is designed for a more direct approach, suitable for first degree connection, emphasizing the benefit of product or services. And now you can use this template according to your requirement. You can change service or product name, and here you just need to insert your product name and services. And if you want to add more lines, so you can also add here in this message more lines according to your requirement and according to your product. So, and now you can see that fifth number is top of the search result connection request. This template encourages the connection through shared industry interests. And now simply you just need to change the first name, and you just need to write the company name, and you can use all these lines according to your requirement. Sixth number is common field or job, tailored for professional working in similar job roles or industries. This template prompts decisions on unique strategies and approaches. And now simply you just need to change the industry or role or first name, and you can also use these line according to your requirements. Sixth number is to the hiring manager. This template for job seekers reaching out to hiring manager emphasize alignment with the company's vision and mission. And now you can see that simply you just need to change the first name and write the hiring manager name, and then insert the industry and add here the job title, relevant information of your experience, and you can also add here some skills, and you also need to add here company name, and different things are available. So you can use this template according to your requirement. And number 8 is simple message. You can just need to write a simple message, and here is just a mutual friend group, schools, post, comments, so you can use this message according to your requirement. And number 9 is opinion leader. Recognizing the recipient as an industry leader, this template seeks to connect for engagements and knowledge sharing. And simply you just need to change the first name, and you can use more lines according to your requirement. And now you can see the template. You can use this template according to your requirement. And number 10 is indirect sale pitch, and now you can see that. These templates connect with recipients on the basis of business expansion or unique details, offering an opportunity to discuss potential collaboration. And now I also wrote here some pro tips. You can read all these things. And number 11 is hyper personalized sale pitch. So you can also use this message according to your requirements. This message with the personalized observation and solution. This template is crafted for high professional sales approach. So you can use hyper personalized sale pitch message and templates according to your requirement. And so on. The job seekers, 12 number. This template targeted towards job seekers. This template highlights the relevant skills and express interest in specific role within the recipient organization. So you can use all these things according to your requirement, and here you just need to insert your role, insert your name, and you can also insert your achievement of the company, and you can also something unique to the company. So you can also add here your experience, and if you want to add here more lines, so you can add according to your requirement. Number 13 is for recruiter. Crafted by recruiter, this template focuses on inviting skilled professionals to explore opportunities within their organization. And now this message for recruiters, and recruiters can use this template. And here I am recruiter, at here you just need to write the company name, and here you just need to write here the insert role. We are currently looking for job titles. Here you just need to write here the job titles, and here you can add here some skills, skill number 1, 2, 3, and different more things you can add according to your company requirement. Number 14 is intern, a template for students seeking internship opportunities, expressing their interest and highlights the relevant skills and experiences. And this template for students who are seeking for internship in different organizations, in different universities, so students can use this template according to requirement. And now you can see that here just need to change some courses, and for example I am a first year student at university. Here you just need to write the name of the your university, colleges, school, so you can just need to write here the educational institution and current study. Here you just need to write here your degree in specific field, and different more things. You can use all these lines according to your requirement. And 15 number is follow-up message. This message is designed for recipient about previous message, and this template encourages the continued conversation with your previous message. So you can also use this message for previous conversation, and here you can use and add more information about your company, about your organization, about your product. So this is a continuous of conversation. Number 16 is recommendation message, a template seeking LinkedIn recommendation, emphasizing a reciprocal exchange of positive feedback. And if you want recommendation from your clients, from your owner, and from your colleagues, you just need to send this template of messages. And now you can see that here you can just add here the written recommendation. So you can use this template according to your requirement, and you can also change some lines if you want. Number 17 template is for promoters. This template is designed for individuals promoting product or services. This template encourages the recipient based on their interest. And now you can see that the promoters can change lines and according to your requirement. And now you can see that here you just need to write here your product that you recently launched and different more things that you can change according to your requirement. And 18 number is the networker, and here some templates is available, so you can use this template according to your requirement. The purpose of network template is reaching out to potential connection through our shared groups or mutual connection. This template invites the networking opportunities. And number 19 is influencer, and here you just need to write I saw your comments on my post, let's post, and now here you just need to post title. So you can use for influencer messages, you can use according to your requirement. And now you can see that you can also put here the link of your post. And now 20 number is event template. Event template focus on event invitation. This template provide detail and encourage the attendance. And now you can see that, and if you are organizing an event on LinkedIn, you can send this message and you can change all these lines and add some lines according to your requirement. And now you can see that 21 is webinar template. Webinar template promoting webinars. This template provide details and encourage the participants. And now number 22 is, now you can see that the free trial templates. And now you can see that this template is designed for businesses that offering free trials of some softwares. This template invites the recipients to explore a product or services. Hope these templates is helpful for cold messages, and I will also put all these templates in description, and I will also put here some profile optimization tips and how to use a sales navigator, because when your profile is fully optimized, then you will get a good results. Because when you send a message to your target audience, and target audience view your LinkedIn profile, and your LinkedIn profile is a short summary of your product or your job or your services. And after this I will also put here some information how to use a sales navigator. And when you knew how to use a sales navigator, then you can search your target audience. And once your target audience is perfect according to your requirement, according to your filters, and then you can also get a good results. So thank you very much for watching this video, and if you have any question related to this, then I am available here. Thank you for watching this video.